In the bustling world of project management software, ClickUp has carved out a significant niche for itself, often praised for its extensive feature set and customization capabilities. When a tool offers so much, a common and critical question arises for businesses and teams. How expensive is ClickUp? As a project management expert, I can tell you that ClickUp's pricing model is designed to be scalable, offering options for everyone from individual users to large enterprises. It's not a one-size-fits-all cost. Instead, its expense depends heavily on your team size, the features you require, and whether you opt for monthly or annual billing. Generally, ClickUp is considered to be quite competitive in terms of pricing, often providing more features for the money compared to some of its rivals. Let's break down ClickUp's pricing tiers, what you get with each, and what factors influence the overall cost. ClickUp's pricing tiers. A detailed look. ClickUp typically offers 4 main pricing plans, plus an optional AI add-on. Free Forever Plan. Cost: $0, free forever, as the name suggests. Who it's for: individuals, freelancers, and very small teams, up to unlimited users, which is quite generous for a free plan, who need basic task management. What you get: this plan is surprisingly robust for being free. You get unlimited tasks, custom views, list, board, calendar, collaborative docs, whiteboards, in-app video recording, and 24/7 customer support. You can add unlimited users, which is a major differentiator from many competitors. Limitations. The Free Forever plan has some key limitations that push growing teams to paid plans. Limited storage, around 60 to 100 megabytes. Limited spaces, typically 5, which are core organizational units. Restricted uses of advanced features like custom fields, e.g., 60 uses, Gantt charts, e.g., 60 uses, and workload views, e.g., 60 uses. A short activity log, usually 1 day. Limited automations, e.g., 5 active rules and 100 runs per month. No advanced permissions for guests. Expert take. This plan is excellent for personal task management, trying out ClickUp's interface, or for a tiny startup that needs to manage a handful of projects without any budget. It's a fantastic entry point to see if ClickUp fits your workflow. Unlimited plan. Cost: approximately $7 per user per month, billed annually. $10 per user per month, billed monthly. Who it's for: small teams, typically 3-10 plus users, who have outgrown the free plan and need more storage, advanced features, and integrations. What you get: everything in Free Forever, plus unlimited storage, a significant upgrade for teams dealing with many files. Unlimited integrations. Connect with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, Salesforce, etc. Unlimited folders and spaces. Crucial for better project organization as your work scales. Unlimited custom fields. Essential for tracking specific data points relevant to your projects. Unlimited Gantt charts, dashboards, and forms. Unlock powerful visualization and data collection tools. Guests with permissions. Allows you to invite clients or external collaborators with controlled access. Goals and portfolios. 4 higher-level strategic planning and tracking. Native time tracking. Built-in ability to track time spent on tasks. Expert take. This is where ClickUp truly becomes a powerful project management solution for most small and growing teams. The unlimited nature of many key features provides immense value for its price point. Business plan. Cost: approximately $12 per user per month, billed annually. $19 per user per month, billed monthly. Who it's for: mid-sized teams and businesses, 10-50 plus users, that require more robust features, enhanced security, and greater control over workflows. What you get: everything in the unlimited plan, plus unlimited teams, user groups, better organization, and permission management for larger departments or teams. Unlimited message history. Full access to all chat and comment history. Unlimited mind maps and whiteboards. Enhanced visual collaboration tools. Advanced automations. Significantly higher automation runs, e.g., 10,000 runs per month, and more complex automation rules. Advanced time tracking and reporting. Granular insights into time spent and better reporting capabilities. Workload management. Visualizing team capacity to prevent burnout and optimize resource allocation. Google SSO. Enhanced security for user logins. Custom exporting. More flexibility in exporting your data. Expert take. The business plan provides the muscle for more complex project environments. If you're managing multiple projects, need deeper analytics, or have sensitive data requiring better security, this plan is a strong contender. Enterprise plan. Cost. Custom pricing. Requires contacting ClickUp sales. Who it's for. Very large organizations, enterprises, or those with highly specific security, compliance, and customization needs. What you get. Everything in the business plan plus white labeling. Customize the ClickUp interface with your company's branding. Advanced permissions and custom roles. Granular control over who can see and do what. Enterprise API. More extensive integration possibilities. Single sign-on SSO, beyond Google. Integration with corporate identity providers. Dedicated success manager and onboarding training. Personalized support for large-scale deployments. HIPAA and SOC 2 compliance. Essential for regulated industries. Custom capacity in workload. Fine-tune resource management. Expert take. This plan is for organizations where security, compliance, and highly tailored solutions are paramount. The custom pricing reflects the bespoke implementation and dedicated support required for such large deployments. Optional add-on. ClickUp AI. Cost. Approximately $7 per user per month, billed annually, available on any paid plan. What it is. ClickUp's integrated AI assistant, designed to help with tasks like generating content, summarizing discussions, creating tasks from natural language, and more. Expert take. AI is becoming increasingly important in productivity tools. If your team can benefit from AI-powered assistance for content creation, task generation, or summarizing information, this add-on can significantly boost efficiency. Factors influencing your ClickUp cost. Team size, the most direct factor. All paid plans are priced per user, per month. More users equal a higher total cost. Billing cycle. Annual billing typically offers a significant discount, often around 30%, compared to monthly billing. If you're committed to ClickUp, annual billing is more cost-effective. Required features. The specific tools and functionalities you need will dictate which tier you subscribe to. Don't pay for features you won't use, but also don't hamstring your team by sticking to a lower plan if critical features are missing. Guest users. While ClickUp is generous with guest permissions on paid plans, there are limits on how many guests can have full access versus read-only. Exceeding these limits might incur additional costs or necessitate an upgrade. Add-ons. Features like the AI add-on are extra, so factor these into your budget. Discounts. ClickUp often offers discounts for nonprofits, educators, and startups. It's always worth checking if your organization qualifies.